Some dreams never come true, while others just take a long time to arrive. This one took about 35 years, and today it finally showed up on a trailer. Hi, I'm Dr. Kevin McCurry, and welcome to Whitney Plaza Garage, where gums and gumption build dreams, or as we call it, WPGGG. Welcome to Episode 1. This is a place where a few different worlds come together. Building things, fixing problems, dentistry, and a few life lessons learned along the way. Many of my days are spent practicing at Whitney Plaza Dental. But like a lot of people, I've always loved fixing things and working with my hands. Teeth, trucks, tractors, tools, and projects that take time and patience to build. The mission of WPGGG is pretty simple. We're going to build a truck from the frame to the first drive, and we'll do it with a little fortitude and hopefully with a little finesse. But along the way, we're going to talk about a few other things: practical, mechanical problem solving, lessons learned from dentistry, and a little bit of ranch garage life wisdom. Because, as it turns out, building a truck, practicing dentistry, and living a good life have more in common than you might think. And the main project in this garage is this: a Factory 5 1935 hot rod truck kit. This truck represents a dream that started about 35 years ago. Not this exact truck, but the idea of building one. For years, it stayed on the list of things to do. Someday. Someday when there's less responsibility. Someday when there was more time. Someday when I had the space. Well, someday finally arrived. Today the kit showed up. Crates, boxes, panels, and many hundreds of parts. And somewhere inside all of that is a truck waiting to be built. On this channel, we're going to build this truck step by step. Chassis, suspension, drivetrain, wiring, bodywork, interior. Some of it will go smoothly, and some of it probably won't. There will be changes and a few challenges, but that's part of building anything. Along the way, I will also share a few things I've learned over the years. Some about mechanical work, some about dentistry, and some about life, because patience, craftsmanship, and problem solving matter in all three. So this is episode 1, the day a 35-year dream rolled into the garage. Next episode, we will start opening boxes. Anything worth doing is worth doing well, whether it's teeth, trucks, tractors, or tools. Thanks for watching Whitney Plaza Garage, Gums, and Gumption.